Hello students, myself Mr. Pradeep Sawan. Today we are going to learn something interesting which is beneficial for all of us. We are going to learn articles a and the. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Article the is definite article, whereas articles a and an are indefinite articles. Make it more simple. Article a and are used for one person or one thing, that is for singular number. For example, give me a pen. Here, the word pen is singular. Give me a pens. It's wrong because here the word pens is plural. Give me an orange. Here the word orange is singular. Give me an oranges. It's wrong because here the word oranges is plural. I met a doctor. Here the noun doctor is singular. I met a doctors. It's wrong because here the noun doctors is plural. Thus, article a or an is used for one person or one thing. That means singular and not plural. When to use article an? The article an is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an elephant, an inkpot, an orange, an umbrella. When to use article a? The article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a book, a boy, a cat, a bat, a tree. But there are some exceptions for using article an. Exception number 1. The article an is used even when a word begins with consonant but it pronounced with vowel sound. For example, an hour, an honest boy, an MA, an SSC, etc. Exception number 2. The article a is used even though the word begins with vowel but it is pronounced with consonant sound. For example, a university, a uniform, a European, a 1 rupee, etc. Here, words begin with consonant sound. Article the is used before singular as well as plural nouns. Number 1. Article the is used to mention particular person or persons, particular thing or things. For example, look at the boy or look at the boys. Give me the book or give me the books. Article the is used before a noun which is mentioned a second time. For example, Ross has a book. The book is new. There are trees in the garden. The trees are beautiful. Article the is used for a noun which is followed by phrase or clause. For example, the dress that belongs to Kavita is very beautiful. The girl with blue eyes looks pretty. Article the is also used before following nouns and adjectives, before names of holy books. For example, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, before names of famous monuments. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, etc. Before names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, before names of rivers, the Ganga, the Godavari, before names of seas and oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, before names of countries which are collectively formed, the USA, the UK, before the plural names of families, the Deshpandes, the Sharmas, before a name of a thing which is only one in nature, the sun, the moon, the earth, before directions, the east, the west, the south, the north, before ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the third, before names of newspapers, the Times of India, the Indian Express, before an adjective to represent a whole class of persons, the rich, the poor, the sick, the needy. For example, the rich must help the poor. We must help the sick and the needy. Before the adjective in superlative degree, the best, the tallest, the happiest. For example, Geeta is the best girl in the class. Before comparative as adverbs, the sooner, the better, the more, the merrier. For example, the more we have, the more we want. Before proper noun that is used as common noun. For example, Kalidas is known as the Shakespeare of India. Ahmedabad is the Manchester of India. But sometimes people pronounce THE as the or sometimes THE as the. When a word begins with a consonant sound, THE pronounced as the book, the fan, etc. But when the word begins with vowel sound, THE pronounced as the. For example, the earth, the orange, etc. Now we will see where articles are not used. Omission of articles. Before proper noun, for example, Ali, Sima, Mumbai. Before abstract noun, for example, honesty, wisdom, truth. Before languages, Marathi, Hindi, English. Before places visited for their primary purpose, to school, to college. In certain phrases, at home, by bus, on TV, at night, in bed, etc. So, friends, here we are ending this topic. Hope you have understood. Here are some questions for practice. Thank you.